CompTIA has a certification pathway. CompTIA was always known for its foundational skills certification. But we are actually expanding more and more to get into those higher level, mid-career to advanced career certifications, but it's always vendor neutral, and that's kind of what we have our pride on. So if you look at this pathway, Network Plus sits right before everything else. So you've got the IT fundamentals, which if you're very new to IT and you have no experience, you'll start there, and then you go into A+, which focuses on devices, Network Plus, which focuses on connectivity of the devices. And that's going to help you form that base, like algebra before you go into calculus, to move into security, cloud, CASP, and so on. So this is kind of where CompTIA fits right now. We are coming up with another certification called Pen Test Plus, which you'll probably hear about soon, which falls in the cybersecurity pathway. So why Network Plus? The CompTIA Network Plus certification, like I mentioned, is internationally recognized. So it's a portable career. So once you get into the IT career, you can actually move around to different locations. And it covers the technical knowledge required of foundation level IT network practitioner. It gives a depth and breadth of knowledge in networking. I've heard one of the most recently, I had an individual call me, and they're a journalism major, is a technical writer within an IT department and was required to take the Security Plus cert. Obviously, they didn't pass that first time around, but that's just not the way to go. And first of all, she's not technical enough to even, shouldn't be taking Security Plus. And secondly, if she followed the A+ Network Plus Security Plus route, I think that would give her a better knowledge of why she's actually doing Security Plus. So unlike other vendor-specific network certifications, Network Plus prepares you to support the network regardless of the platform. So yes, at some point you will need to go into the vendor certification depending on your organization, but this really gives you a better idea of what to expect. On our certification, you might see maybe a Cisco type of environment in a simulation, but you really don't need to know Cisco devices to be able to answer that. Network Plus kind of does that in that more of a vendor neutral format where you should be able to answer some of those questions. And then finally, networking technology has become more and more critical than ever for IT professionals focusing on cybersecurity pathways. So do not skip Network Plus or that knowledge and skills that you need for Network Plus, because that'll give you that solid base. And so now when you're securing a network, you'll know why you're securing it and what's the best way to do it, and be able to work with your network admin to make sure their roles are complete.
Netcom Learning helps customers build innovative learning organization by achieving a smarter workforce, adapting to change, and driving growth. We do this with a broad catalog of offerings, developing customized learning plans, and our global delivery capabilities. Since 1998, we have been empowering organizations with our managed learning services to help them reach optimal performance results and address challenges. We have 9 practice areas in which we specialize. They encompass people, process, and technology training. Today's presentation is from the networking practice area.
Netcom Learning does offer a comprehensive portfolio for Network Plus training courses, and you can save 25% on the below trainings, which you can see up there on your screen: CompTIA Network Plus, CompTIA certification, and CompTIA security certification. And team training can be customized and accelerated to meet your organization's specific needs. You can contact us today to be connected to one of our learning consultants to help advise you on your specific needs. Simply email us at webinar@netcomlearning.com or search our catalog at netcomlearning.com. And we all know that technical skills are necessary to empower our career, but you need to improve or upgrade your leadership skills as well in order to accelerate your career. Along with your technical abilities, develop the skills you need to manage yourself, others, and business better. Welcome to Starter Learning, a collaborative knowledge platform bringing the world's best business and leadership insights from Fortune 1000 leaders, best-selling authors, and Ivy League professors. Further, if you are interested in learning from the top American leaders, please log on to the e-learning platform at www.sarterlearning.com, and you can avail the special promotion meant for first-time users. Use your coupon code SARTER10 and begin your learnership journey now.